MeghalayaPost.news.
Kawai kita Samla kabanak senong bari dua Pramer Hariboy District kalala banwan Ratnam bat kaburom omtang ya Hariboy District Henry ka jela hibaro kawai hadin bakalayo khur takma hakawai kelempung ya Pyni Dohksah kabarang sudah longshen kabala sedang nadu ka khar tarik ujeliu hadu khatsau tarik ujeliu arajar punrio balapan long habarat mandapam New Delhi kani ka Samla balawan Ratnam latip kertengkung ka Samla Anita saukumi lai post nam kerta bat kari ka khun jong ka kong Lucy saukumi kabalayo banda yakun hakani kelempung kabahe hadin bakaladap banisyo Haka national level. Kani ka Samla kadairu ka badang Ïoh ya kanam overall championship hanong ba Assam tang hagini ki kindiat banai bladam hadian pan kalasha jiet banda yakun pat Haka International Health and Fitness Festival IHFF balapan long da ka KSM 66 ashwagandha world best ashwagandha ka Samla Anita saukmi kalayo ban Korea takmarnong Haka class A category Haka jungwan paino jongka shala ka jong ka jelang ka Samla Anita saukmi kalapan payo ka jingkamen namar ka jupersang ban kilanmen da ka ba supaj online ya karukom kilanmen ling ba ka jing na hikai unong hikai jongka na Mumbai bar ka Julai ru ban pentibet iladi Haka Guardian Gym kabadan habar dua Henry hakani ka kenti kalayo ban kai uso ka jing Trei Shitom kani ka Samla ka dairu ka bala pendep ik matriculation na kidi corner shillong bar ka baju pendut poru Haka kami lekai kani ka Samla kala buram ru ningkong e ka kemi ka baju aimen sim badon rengkat hakanu kunu ka camp badai ning ba ka jing aimen sim ka kemi bakalala ban poi syakani ka kedan yelekai Pyni Dohksah bakalawan ra buram sendon yang kejela
Anita B. Saukme from Meghalaya 8 Mile Baridua Riboy District, and recently I have represented India, and also I have bought a third rank for India and for my state Meghalaya. I am fond of sports from my childhood. I have been representing my school. I have been a sprinter. I also played karate. First my journey, I started my fitness sports from CrossFit. I love sports a lot because it really keeps me healthy, not just my physical but mentally I'm very healthy, and also it gives me a lot of confidence. I feel that when there is no sports in my life, I feel useless because there's nothing without sports. My mother is the only supporter. My mother has supported me since day one. Whatever I wanted to do, she supports me, and also she sees me that I really truly work hard genuinely. That's what my goal is, very straight. I have only one goal, and that's represent India, my India in Olympia, my states Meghalaya. So that's what she sees, that motivation in me, so that's what she supports me blindly. No, there are no support at all from government or from any other. There's nothing support since day one. It's just I have represented many states in nationals. There is no sponsors, nothing. Sponsor is my mother. It's just my mother. Of course, I do feel very great, and of course I feel very proud of myself because I have a straight plan on my head that this year I'm going to compete all my nationals, and then the very next year I'm going to compete on my international, and the plans are going all according to me, and that's really, I also don't believe that I have pushed myself along. I have been upgrading myself every year, so that's what I'm just proud of myself. My discipline is top notch actually. Bodybuilder's lifestyle, it's a very lonely, very strict lifestyle. We do not need any distractions. Diet, we need to focus from the bed, from the early morning we wake up till at night I sleep. I have everything I'm doing according to my time, my routine. So the bodybuilding routine is a very strict routine. If you are distracted from your outer space, then that's not how it is. So the diet of bodybuilding is just the same. The whole year, not just 6 months, not just 4 months, but the whole year for 2-3 years, we gotta prepare, and we gotta stick with the same diet, and that's a boil. If you're capable of having boiled foods, then you can have it. Otherwise, you can also put some spices and all, but I prefer eating boiled, and I thought it's not sustainable in the beginning, but it's sustainable. If you're really into your goal, nothing can stop you. The rest, I take 8 to 9 hours nap. It's important. Bodybuilding, it's not just about working out, training yourself, but also giving your body rest. It's the most important thing. Sleeping has to be proper, meals has to be proper, and also your training has to be proper. My trainer is Harry Sandhu. He's from other state. He's not from my state. He just gave me online. He prepared everything online and he gave it to me. That's how I train myself, and I train in just near my home. There is a gym, and the name of the gym is Guardian Gym. It's just a no mile, so there I go. First of all, there is saying that girls are really afraid of doing gym because they think that once they lift weights, their body is gonna turn like a man, like a male, and it's literally a myth. I'm gonna tell you. So please, girls, focus. You need to focus on your health. That's because I'm motivated, because I focus on my health. That is very important. If you're healthy, that means you are wealthy. And also I want to say that woman is not just staying home in kitchen and then working, washing laundries or doing anything. It's not like that. Woman, you need to know that you are strong enough. And whatever your dream is, please keep following. Do not doubt yourself. Keep pushing, but try. Then you will know that once you get the results, it's going to be amazing. It's not just going to improve your health, physical health, but also it's going to improve your confidence. It's going to build a lot of confidence. So please go. You don't need to do a bodybuilding. You don't need to follow a strict diet, but at least just go. At least once, 4 days a week, go train yourself, give yourself a healthy meals, give yourself a perfect nap. That's how it is.
MeghalayaPost.news